Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I got these really cool components from BB Craft. We have the Eiffel Tower in this fun. It's in gold colored, but I also got some that are silver and antique brass. And we're going to make some earrings with these. And then I also got these croissants from BB Craft, which we're going to also make some earrings with these. I'm going to use some of the crystals that I received from BB Craft. By the way, all the links to these items are down in the description box below, along with the coupon code if you're interested. In addition to the charms and the crystals, you're going to need 4 eye pins and some ear wires and various pliers. So we're going to make a very simple pair of earrings using these croissant charms. I'm just going to open up an ear wire, a little loop at the bottom, like so, and then hang the charm, and then close the ear wire back up. These are super easy to do. Let's do the second earring. Again, just open up that loop at the bottom. Hang your charm, carefully close it back, and there we go. A fun little pair of earrings. Now if you wanted to add a little bling to these, you could just add a little crystal or some other bead to it. Just take a head pin, put the bead on there, hang the croissant or charm at the bottom, and make a loop at the top to hang your ear wire on. And that's actually what we're going to do with the Eiffel Tower here. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the eye pin very carefully, and then we're going to hang our Eiffel Tower charm. And then we're going to close it back very carefully. Then we add our crystal to the top. It's got a nice dangle to it. And now we're just going to take our flat nose pliers and we're going to bend at about a 90-degree angle. And I use my finger as a reference to clip the wire, and I keep that wire because we could use that for another project. Now I'm taking my round nose pliers and I'm curling a loop. And then I'm just going to open that loop back up, hang the ear wire, and carefully close the loop back. You want to make sure it is closed all the way, and there we have a fun little sparkly earring. Make the second earring. By the way, when you do add beads to your wire, you probably want to pre-measure or put them on there to make sure that the bead will fit on the wire. Sometimes the wire may be a little thick for the holes in the beads you choose. These actually work perfectly. Right now I'm closing up the second Eiffel Tower. We're going to put the little crystal on the top, bend it at a 90-degree angle, clip it off, make a loop and hang it on the wire. And we have our second pair of earrings in less than 7 minutes. Now when you close up your loops, you want to make sure that they are actually closed. You don't have a gap in there where your charm can fall off of your ear wire. There we go. All done. And they have some really nice movement to them too. I want to thank y'all for joining me. And like I said, if you're interested in any of these components, these Eiffel Towers or croissants, I'll leave information down in the description box below how you can get your charms with a coupon code. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.